Hi Kipsters, I'm going to show you with a model how to answer question number 1. And then at the end, I'm going to ask you to figure out which one is the best answer after I've modeled my thinking. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my question. It says, why does the author compare the biggest of the whales to a waterfall? So I want to understand the author. Why is the author comparing, which means how are they the same? How are what the same? Well, it says right here how the whale is the same to a waterfall. So I'm going to look in my text and it says right here, water spewed out of the hole on the whale's back like a living waterfall. So since I know we're working on author's craft, I'm going to use that imagery and I'm going to imagine what the author is trying to say. So it says he spewed out the whole of the whale's back. So I can imagine a water coming out from its blowhole of a whale and it going up in the air and then falling right back down. And then I could have to imagine, what do I know about a waterfall? Well, I know a waterfall is on the ledge of a cliff and then it just falls right down into the water as well. So when I think about that, I can hear myself say, well, it's because they're both falling into some type of water. So I'm going to look at my answer choices and figure out my thinking. So A says it shoots water from a blowhole. So it says it shoots water from a blowhole right here. And the only thing that shoots from a blowhole is a whale, not a waterfall. So I don't know. Maybe that one isn't, but I don't think it is. B says it dives straight down into the ocean. Well, it says it dives straight down into the ocean, which I know a waterfall dives straight down into the ocean, but a whale in a blowhole doesn't go straight down to the ocean first. First it goes up, then it goes down. So I don't know about this one either. C says it falls into the water of the ocean. So it's talking about how they both fall into the water of the ocean. And I see that when a whale spews a hole right here, this is telling me that the water is going up and then going down into the ocean. And I know a waterfall goes and it goes right into the ocean. So they're both saying how they both water goes in the ocean. So maybe this could be my answer. D, it splashes when it jumps out of the ocean. Well, it says it splashes when it jumps out of the ocean. And I don't know about you, but waterfalls don't jump out of oceans, they just fall into the water. I know a whale does, but remember our question says how they compare, so we want to know how they are the same, not how they are different. So I don't know about D. I don't know if that could be my best answer. Your job right now is on your slideshow. I want you to write down which answer is the best answer based off of my thinking and why.